Hello, this is tradesight market commentary for Tuesday, March 5th, going into Wednesday, March 6th. Just wanted to talk about something we've been watching carefully and waiting for here on the S&P 500 index. That is a daily seeker 13 sell signal. We're going to get it today. Here's a look at that daily chart, and you can see if I flip it to projection mode so it counts today as closed, and we are now closed. Boom, there's the 13 sell signal. Now, why is that important? Well, first of all, because this time, unlike the one back here where we were breaking out of a nice base, we are kind of extended in the market. Number two, when you get two 13s almost back to back, and that's essentially what this is, it's usually more meaningful the second signal you get. Number three, if I switch to the weekly charts, I'll take it out of projection mode here and switch to the weekly charts, what you're going to notice, okay, is again we had a 13 sell signal a few weeks back. You can see the pink risk line, okay. We tried to breach it once 2 weeks ago, could not get through, closed below it. Last week used it as resistance. Today that we do close above it because of the move up, but it's only Tuesday. What matters is where we close out the week. So if we head back down by Friday and close under that risk line, again that level's being rejected by the market on a weekly basis, on a weekly time frame, and now of course on the daily time frame we get our 13 sell signal. So this is all very interesting in terms of it's not too often you get these lined up on the daily and weekly like that. You only get a couple of these a year on the daily time frame, and you certainly rarely get them on the weekly time frame. So we have to pay attention. The seekers obviously a very powerful tool on these time frames, and when it comes on both of them, we've got to be looking for a downside play here. So we'll be paying attention to that in the days and weeks ahead. See if this ends up being short-term top in the market. Again, this isn't to say that the market's about to fall apart or collapse. But we could see a move down here to that 1450 area. That's the static trend line of this daily chart move. That would still be about 1460, so that'd be about 80 points back. So we could see a lot of things off of this, but if the trend does reverse to the downside as it starts to confirm, we're going to be taking a lot more shorts than longs in the market.